Sing ciao everybody, welcome back. I'm just going to test this one for a few seconds and make sure that the audio is going okay. I'm in the VietnamSteve mobile today, and it's a real exciting video I've got for you. The exile chapter is ending for a few months, and tonight, after a few months down here in Brisbane, Australia, I'm heading up to Vietnam. So give me a week or so to get the content moving, and I'm looking to get out around the streets in Ha Long Bay and show you what's going on. I'm going to pause it there just in case my sounder's not working today, and I'll be right back. Everything seems to be going tickety-boo. Couple of things about what exile has taught me and how it's made me miss Vietnam even more. It's taught me that here in the West we are very, very, very overregulated. So there's a rule for everything, and we follow the rules. Vietnam does seem a lot freer. I know it's not actually freer, but there seems to be less intrusion into my daily life. So the exile chapter has ended, and we're on the plane at midnight tonight and back in Vietnam tomorrow. Being down here, treating exile as a bit of a journey, it's really made me miss Vietnam even more. So I'm looking forward to getting up there, eating delicious food, catching up with all my friends up there, and again, resuming the VietnamSteve original varts around the street. I just can't wait to get out around the street. I've really missed the food. I love the food. It's somewhat mitigated because my daughter here has cooked Vietnam food every day. So I'm a lucky man. I miss street life. Vietnam's a place where you can spend 6 hours a day in a cafe, a couple hours in the morning, a couple hours in the afternoon, a couple hours in the evening. And of course, the chaos and energy is something that I also miss. It's very much a 1980s Eastern Bloc lifestyle here in Australia. It's been dark in the winter, it's been cold in the winter, and I really feel like I'm in the old Eastern Bloc back in the 80s. So I'm looking forward to chaos and energy. I can't wait to sit on a street corner with a Cafe Sourda again and wax lyrical. I love the energy, and believe it or not, I've even missed the motorbikes. So got a bit of return flight anticipation. It's great to be packing. I don't pack much. I take a backpack. I go in the clothes I'm standing up in. I'll probably change these clothes tonight, but I don't need to pack anything. I've got a wardrobe full of clothes there. The ladies tend to pack stuff even if they don't need to pack stuff, so we do buy a lot of stuff for our Vietnamese friends. They want particularly baby formula. So a few people have babies up there. They like the baby formula from down under. But suffice to say, exile is ending. Vietnam, I'm coming home. Some big decisions about life in the future. It's not just about food and travel, but there's important decisions being made right now, and I'll be talking about them in those varts when I'm in Vietnam. So there's definitely going to be new on-the-ground content. I won't be getting around Vietnam, although I may go up to Hanoi for a day or two. I'm going to try and stay out at Ha Long and really immerse myself out there. I'm looking forward to seeing the street vendors that know me, the taxi drivers that know me, and eating some food, sitting on little chairs around the streets. I may start showing you some of that food. It is difficult for me to stream the food because I don't eat alone, and so I've got to interrupt my eating with the people that I'm actually eating for. I'd be really excited to know what you want me to cover first when I'm back. So it's not a poll, it's not a like and subscribe this video. It's a get into the comments and tell me what you'd like me to cover first when I'm back on the ground in Ha Long tomorrow. You won't be getting a VART tomorrow, but I can get out and film it tomorrow. and get that to you. So what you'd like to see first when I'm back, please put that in the comments down below. I'm going to Vietnam to help with my own survival, but what would be your number one Vietnam thing that you would do if you were wanting to survive in Vietnam? Would you be eating pho? Would you be having a banh mi? Would you be going to a coffee shop? Would you be getting out onto a boat? Would you be eating seafood? So what's the number one thing you would do if you were going back to Vietnam? And I'll try and get that into a VART. So to wrap up this one, it's a short one today. Exile ends tonight. Vietnam, I'm coming home. Make sure you subscribe. Life from Vietnam starts again tomorrow. Woohoo!